Xin chào cả nhà. So somebody asked me to make more fish recipes. So here it is. We got Ca Chien Sa Ot, or chili lemongrass pan-fried fish. It's so good. And I did a test of pan-frying this and air frying it, but I think pan-frying it is way better. The fish is more firm and the aromatic is way better. Wow, this smells so good. So good. All right, so the fish I am using today is Spicy Fillets. You can use catfish, goldeneye, pomano, whatever fish you want, okay? And make sure you get all these water out using a paper towel. Otherwise, the marinade is gonna be diluted. So what we're gonna do is we need to marinate this first before we put in our minced lemongrass and chili. So this is kind of like a sponge. You don't want to throw this in here with all the marinade and stuff because the lemongrass is gonna suck everything up. And so the fish won't absorb all of that marinade flavor. So we're going to marinate this with minced scallion heads. For marinating, I always leave the roots on. That's where all the flavor is, all the aroma is. And no, we are not using garlic in here, okay? Garlic burns really fast, so do not put garlic in here. And the lemongrass and everything else just overpowers that garlic anyway. So sugar, you don't want to put too much sugar because it's gonna burn. Chicken bouillon, fish sauce, black pepper. We mix this up first before we throw in our lemongrass here. And now we can throw in our lemongrass chili, some oil. The oil is gonna keep our fish moist and not dry out. And your fish should look something like this, a little bit hairy, kind of. So we'll cover this up and let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best results. Little bit of oil. The main key to this is keep the heat medium to low. If the pan gets too hot, the lemongrass and stuff is gonna be burnt and the fish is not gonna be cooked in time. So you gotta be slow and steady, okay? And then of course after that, we need to flip it.